Good morning, everyone. Welcome to class 1. I hope you all are safe and healthy. Let's start today's work. Today we are going to revise chapter number 7. Okay, the name of the chapter is Keeping Healthy and Say How You Keep Yourself Healthy and How You Keep Yourself Safe. ठीक है, there are so many things that we are doing daily to keep ourselves healthy, like we have to wash our hands before and after eating every meal, we have to comb every day, we have to take bath every day, okay, we have to brush every day, we should eat healthy food, we should drink clean water, and 6 to 8 glasses of water we should drink every day. Okay, to keep yourself clean, what you have to do? When you have to do so many things. First we start with the keeping your body clean. How you keep your body clean? By taking bath. ठीक है, by taking bath, first step, you have to take bath every day. Okay, before taking bath you need a towel, you need a soap. Yes, and next, when you are brushing your teeth, which things you will need? For brushing your teeth, you need toothpaste, है ना, toothbrush. Okay, and for keeping your hair clean, you have to comb every day. Twice a week, you have to wash your hair with shampoo. Okay, so these are the things which keep you healthy. ठीक है, how to do the brush? How? The way of doing brush is like this. First, you have to do brush at the back, then up and down, then back and front. Okay, at the back, then up and down, then back and from that back and then front. Back से जाके फिर front back. These are the 3 steps to do the proper brushing. Okay, proper way of brushing is this. First at the back you have to do, then up and down, then back and front. Okay, how you keep your body clean? You keep your body clean when you take bath every day, not twice a week, not thrice a week. Okay, you should take bath every day. Okay, after taking bath you have to wipe your body with clean towel. Okay, next we should wash our hair with shampoo. We should comb our hair every day with clean comb. We should also oil our hair. Oil भी हमें करना चाहिए ना, twice a week. ठीक है, next we should wear well ironed clothes and neat clothes. Okay, and you people know we should put our dirty clothes for washing. Okay, next, how you keep your body healthy? By eating fresh and healthy food, by drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Okay, when your hands get dirty, you should wash your hands before and after every meal. Okay, you should keep your nails short. Okay, you should cut your nails, trim your nails, okay, regularly. It's depend on the growth. Okay, so you should cut your nails regularly. Okay, next, which things are safe for you and which things are unsafe for you? When you are playing with plastic bag, that is unsafe. When you are playing with knives and sharp objects, that is unsafe. Okay, when you cross the road at zebra crossing, that is safe. Okay, next, putting fingers in electric plug and socket, that is unsafe. Waiting for the bus in a queue, that is safe. Okay, you should be careful about what you are doing. So some do's are there and some don'ts are there. Okay, we should remember those do's also and don'ts also. Okay, always get on or off a vehicle only when it has stopped. जब कोई vehicle रुक जाए तभी आपको उससे चढ़ना या उतरना चाहिए. Okay, next, if you are using sharp objects, scissors, knife, blade like these, so only use when some elder one is with you. Okay, don't use without their help. Always follow traffic lights on road. Okay, and what that traffic light says: red light states stop, yellow amber light says wait, green light says go. You know this. Okay, when someone hurt in front of you, you should call any adult quickly. Okay, wo elder will call a doctor or take that person to hospital. Okay, next, don'ts. डोंट डू नॉट टच इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स. कभी इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. डू नॉट टच इलेक्ट्रिक स्विचेस एंड प्लग्स. ओके, डू नॉट प्ले विथ प्लास्टिक बैग्स, दे आर नॉट योर टॉयज. डू नॉट स्टैंड टू क्लोज टू मूविंग स्विंग्स. जब कोई स्विंग ले रहा है बच्चा तो उसके आगे या पीछे नहीं खड़े होंगे. मूविंग स्विंग के आगे पीछे नहीं, क्लोज नहीं खड़े. डू नॉट प्ले विथ फायर. फायर से नहीं खेलना है, इट हार्म और इट बर्न्स यू. ओके, डू नॉट रन अराउंड केयरलेसली. डू नॉट रन अराउंड केयरलेसली व्हेन यू आर ऑन स्टेयर्स. स्टेयर्स में नहीं भागना. नेवर रन ऑन स्लाइड ऑन दी स्टेयर. ठीक है. डू नॉट प्ले ऑन दी रोड साइड और नियर अ बिजी रोड. ओके, डू नॉट प्ले ऑन द रोड साइड और नियर अ बिजी रोड. ठीक है, get that. These are the things to remember. We should keep our body clean to keep ourselves healthy. We should keep our teeth, body, hair clean. 3 चीज़ें बोली है ना, and we have done all this, how to keep teeth, body and hair. We should wear clean and iron clothes to look smart. We should keep our body healthy. Many things around us are not always safe. ठीक है, some are safe, some are unsafe. Okay, we have to be careful to avoid accident. केयरफुल रहेंगे तो हम एक्सीडेंट से अपने आप को बचा सकते. We should not play with electric wires, fire or plastic bags. We should use sharp objects only in the presence of an adult. We should follow the traffic lights while moving on the road. ठीक है, like this you have to revise this chapter and you have to learn the spellings. Okay, is that clear? Thank you.